Welcome back to the channel. I am Ivan Brent, and today we got this amazing reforged Mjolnir from the Thor Love and Thunder movie. So in this video, I'm going to walk you through the procedure of how I made this prop Mjolnir. First things first, I went to the hardware shop and bought the necessary materials which I listed in the description. And I bought the 3D model from do3d.com, and they got a lot of awesome 3D models. And the project emptied my wallet. Here are the materials and tools I bought in the hardware. We have spray paint, the primer, brown, and metallic silver. We also have the crafts knife, paint brushes, glue, wood fillers, frog tape, clear epoxy, and sandpaper. 280 to 320 or what you like. Second, I 3D printed the model using my Android Max printer and a PLA filament with more or less 186 hours to print it, plus the time spent on a failed print. I'm so excited to see the final product with the light design. So stay with me in witnessing the final outcome of the project. So here's the printed parts. We have the gribble, side caps, main body, top cap, bottom cap, handle, leather strap, and the light core. This model can be downloaded from the Make Do website. Third, it's time to pre-assemble the parts, like this side cap with its gribble. You need to test its fit, as the gribble does not have the same size, and label it to avoid confusion. It is important to keep your failed prints and filament rolls because you can still use them in testing the paint or even be a holder and etc. After that, I glued the gribble to the side cap, and I personally want to apply the clear epoxy inside the side cap to strengthen it from tearing apart. Fourth, what everybody loves, the sanding job. I use a 280 grit in sanding the 3D prints to remove the layer lines and make them smoother before applying a primer paint. You can put a wood fillers for the unwanted gaps caused by your printer and blow the dust off. Do this repeatedly to the other parts. Fifth, applying the first coat of primer to the print. Spraying too close the object will cause your paint runs, or the paint drips down. After that, leave them safely and give enough time to dry the paints. Then give another round of sanding. 6. Sand the parts again and apply wood fillers. I put wood fillers in the main body as it has many unwanted gaps caused by my printer. For the other parts, I sanded them to make them smoother and ready for painting. I would like to say thank you for staying up to this point and support the channel by liking this video, subscribing to the channel, and suggest any props or projects that will be working in the future. Comment it down in the comment section. 7. Painting the objects with this metallic silver spray paint. Again, leave them safely and give enough time to dry the paint. For the handle, after painting it with brown, then leaving it to dry, wrap it with a frog tape to avoid the paint sticking too much that it will be removed. And cut the tape, leaving the bands of the handle ready for painting. 8. As the metallic silver paint is too shiny, which give us brand new feels, and we don't want that in our Mjolnir, for we want it to feel like it conquered a lot of battles, or that it was crushed by Hela and got reassembled by Jane. So we will be weathering the parts with a black acrylic paint and the silver paint for the scratches. This is my first time to do weathering, and I enjoy the process and love the results. Lastly, assembling the parts into one. I still use the clear epoxy and glue one side to the main body, top cap to the main body, leather strap to the bottom handle, and the whole handle to the main body. Make sure to insert the metal rod inside to make your hammer withstand weight force. Also, for the lights inside, I use a sky blue LED light and battery case with USB plug. You can wrap the LED lights around the light core, leaving one side cap unglued to open it and switch the lights on or off. Thank God it's finished. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like this video, and suggest anything in the comment section. And see you in the next one.